Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Today, again, I have a few minutes today to share with you the career opportunity for uh, young adult high school kid after you graduate and you're still wondering, uh, what am I going to do? Where am I going to go for college now? That you put a lot of money into higher education, just bachelor degree in America, and the tuition costs tremendous amount. You end up in debt, and you don't have the way to go out. In this year, we will doing quite an interesting way to create job opportunity for senior high school student, especially in America. You have an opportunity to get the dental assistant education through internet, and as well as also in person. If you guys interested in learning dental assistant education with a high school diploma, feel free to follow our channel. Also, keep in touch with us, because we're going to post a lot of information regarding to the course that you can learn at the local and Bay Area, and help you to choose the career that can be rewarding, because nowadays dental assistant job is really highly demand. There's a wave of, during the pandemics, there's a big wave of people who've been in dentistry for a number of years. They retire, so there's a big sort of dental assistant position in every dental office, medical office. So it's a good opportunity when you guys first come out from high school and you want to learn. It's going to be really uh, helpful for you to get a job and start, being independent from your parent. So follow this channel and subscribe to my channel, uh, and keep in touch, and hopefully we'll see you in person or in online for this kind of training from dental assistant education. And you want to know more, just let us know. You call us, we'll help you out. Again, if you are interested, you can call the office at here at Art Dental 510-559-8598, 510-599-8598, Art Dental. I'm Quinn. I'll be training dental assistant student to help you guys to start your career in dentistry. Thanks those of you already follow my channel. I hope that you support me journey to help the young dental assistant to join our profession and grow the supply of dental assistant for our profession. Let everyone know that we are in short of dental assistant, and we really need to encourage high school student graduate with a diploma, or beginning to graduate, thinking about dentistry. Yeah, it's a great profession for you to join. I want to thank everyone. Let me explain to you why, really quick before I stop. Dental assistant actually very interesting career, because you got to interact with multiple different level patient, and as you do so, you realize that you grow emotionally, physically, and mentally mature. It's because you're dealing with people. So what happened is, after a few years in dentistry, you turn yourself into become a very helpful and very open-minded person. And the beauty is, you come from high school, you have no idea how your life's going to turn out, how it's shape it's going to be. But then when you start working in the doctor office, you realize that the compassion, the interaction, the communication that you learn change your lives completely. I have several students came, and when they learn, they start with, a couple year in out from high school, doing the job in McDonald's and other field. They're not very mature, but when they start working for a professional dentist, with the training, she changed completely to a very mature person and a very helpful person, and it's helped her life. Her parents love it, love what do now. So you have more opportunity to grow. Several kids like that, and my job, I like to educate people. And so, if you guys want to are interested in dental assistant job career opportunity, feel free to contact us. Again, uh, follow my channel. You're gonna see a lot of posting throughout this, a lot of video, and teach you a very basic concept of becoming a dental team. You can be yeah, very useful for just the front desk, pick up the phone, answer the phone, or you can be helping the back. But training and knowledge is power. So I'm glad to be able to use this channel to spread the word out. Dental assistant job opportunity for everyone. Again, thank you for following me on YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.